Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we will discuss about affiliate marketing. Introduction. In today's digital landscape, affiliate marketing stands as a powerhouse strategy that allows businesses to generate income while promoting products and services they believe in. With its potential for mutual benefits, affiliate marketing has evolved into a dynamic and attractive industry. In this video post, we will delve into the world of affiliate marketing, explore its key concepts, and provide insight on how to succeed in the ever-evolving field. What is affiliate marketing? At its core, marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals known as affiliate partners promote products or services on behalf of a business of merchants. In return, affiliate earn a commission for each sale, lead, or action they collected through their marketing efforts. This model creates a win-win scenario with affiliate earning a passive income and businesses benefiting from increased exposure and sales. Key components of affiliate marketing. To understand and succeed in affiliate marketing, it's important to familiarize yourself with its key components. Affiliate links. Affiliates use unique tracking links provided by merchants or affiliate networks to promote products or services. These links help track the flow of traffic and the actions taken by customers. Cookies and tracking. Cookies are small pieces of data stored on a user's browser. In affiliate marketing, cookies are used to track the user's journey and attribute sales or leads to the appropriate affiliate. Commissions and payouts. Affiliates earn commissions based on predefined actions such as sales or leads. Commissions can vary widely and payouts are typically made on a regular schedule, often monthly. Promotions and marketing. Affiliates use various marketing channels to promote products or services. Common methods include content marketing, email marketing, social media promotions, and paid advertising.